Hello everyone and welcome back to Mom's Curry Pot. Today we are making a true Kerala favorite, shallots prawns roast. A dish where tender juicy prawns soaked up in the rich flavor of aromatic spices, then slow cooked with plenty of shallots, fresh curry leaves and coconut pieces that gives every bite a lovely crunch and mild nutty flavor. It's a perfect blend of spice, the depth of flavor from the shallots and the mild nutty crunch of coconut pieces, a combination that makes every bite unforgettable. This roast is rich, spicy and bursting with authentic Kerala flavors. Perfect with steamed rice, fluffy appams or soft chapatis. A real comfort dish that's sure to win hearts at the table. So, let's get cooking and bring those irresistible Kerala flavors to life in our kitchen. Let's start with marinating the prawns. I have taken 500 grams of cleaned and deveined prawns here. To marinate them, add the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything well so the prawns are coated evenly with the masala. Set this aside for at least 30 minutes to let the prawns soak up all the beautiful flavors. Alright, now prawns is ready. Now, let's fry the prawns. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan over medium flame. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated prawns, but don't overcrowd the pan. Fry them for a couple of minutes, then gently flip and cook the other side. Do remember, prawns cook very fast, so avoid overcooking or they will turn chewy. Once they are done, remove them from the pan and keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once it's hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Next, add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, half tablespoon of crushed ginger, a few curry leaves and 4 to 5 green chilies. Saute until everything turns aromatic. Now, add 1.5 cups of sliced shallots along with a little salt, and saute until they turn light golden brown. Next, add half cup of coconut pieces and fry for a few more minutes to bring out the flavor and crunch. Now it's time to add the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute well until the raw smell of the masala goes away. Next, add 1 cup of chopped tomato and cook until they turn soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are done, add the fried prawns back into the pan and mix everything gently so the masala coats the prawns beautifully. Cover with a lid and cook on low flame for a few more minutes to let all the flavors blend together. After some time, open the lid and give everything a gentle mix. Finally, crush a few curry leaves and sprinkle them over the prawns for that fresh, fragrant finish. Our rich and flavorful Kerala style shallots prawn roast is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot with steamed rice, appams or chapati and watch it disappear from the table in no time. This shallots prawn roast is a true taste of Kerala. Rich, spicy and packed with flavor in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Mom's Curry Pot for more easy and traditional recipes from my kitchen. Hit the bell icon so you will be the first to know whenever I upload something new. Until next time, happy cooking and see you soon.